Hi everyone, Salam Muslim. Today we get a free hosting, install WordPress, backup and restore webs. Okay, let's start with the video. There are many types of hoster there, and we are using this Infinity free. We have also Cloudflare and GitHub as well. So go to Infinity free and create your account or sign in with your Facebook or Google account. After sign in, you will be on this page, and here you have to create your free domain if you want. If you already have a domain, just submit that domain here. So I'm go with the free domain. Here you go, add a domain. Now go with the free package on the first button, and there you have to check that you are human. There you go. Now you have to type any domain that you want, and then you can add the extension of that domain as well. There are different kind of free extensions. You can choose it from here, anything you like. After that, you will choose the check already button, and it will lead you to here this page. Now you have to change your password so you can remember it, and if you go with this, just write it anywhere or just sync it with the Google. I'll skip this process and then we'll go to the next button. Okay, now it will take time to create a backup files for your website, so you can later on add or whatever you want. Just wait a little bit, and there you go, your site is here now. You click on manage to access your site. If you want to change your password, you have a password below here, and everything is here. Now your site is online, but you can't see it right now because it will take like 72 hours, 24 hours to 72 hours to make it possible to be online. So after that, what we can do, I'll show you in the next part, where we will go to our already set up site and we will install WordPress, and we'll go with the WordPress things. This is a panel. When you click on it, this type of panel open. You just click on their particular app installer, so it will lead you to the next page, but make sure your site is online. Our site is not yet online, so I'm go with the online site that is already online. I made it, so we'll go with that. We have a WordPress installer option here. Now we'll click on install, and if you want to make changes like you want backup and other things, you just access those things as well. So if you are new here, just click quick install and lead everything to this Infinity to upload your WordPress options here. So there you go, WordPress is start installing. We'll wait till it install and then it show you the page as well. You can also work with this Site Pro option, which is given by Infinity as well, but we'll go there. Okay, our WordPress is almost installed here, and we have to click the link above it if you didn't know. And if you know about the site name, just go with the site name, and then on address bar you will type /wp admin, and you will lead to the admin page. Now let's talk about the custom domain option. You will go to this panel and then you change the name of your server from the hosting server, like from your purchaser domain. They will guide you the CNAME and then extra things. You have to place them here and then you will save it. I have already done that thing as well. I am going to show you on our Celltronix site. If we go to our page, there is our panel. We go to login. This is our Infinity control panel, and here we have that option spectacular apps and WordPress, etc. If you go to CNAME section, there is your CNAME settings, and if we go to lead to the hostinger, because I buy the IP from hostinger, I go to the hostinger page and go to domain or DNS server settings, and there I have to paste the IP address or the CNAME server that they are giving to me. So to log into our site, we'll just type /wp admin and click enter. They will ask you the username password. Now type the username password that you create before on the WordPress admin page, or you can simply go to this control panel and click on it. It will lead you to that page. We already installed the WordPress. Now we'll go to the plugin backify and we will backup and restore our theme. Because we made it all offline, so we will just upload later on to change the changes that we have added on our WordPress from the system. So there you go, you can just download the backup files here from backify, and if you want to upload, just drag and drop here, so they will restore all the things, your posts, your pictures and everything here. This is a backup and restore method in WordPress, and it's so simple. You can even actually download the themes from WordPress and restore here as well. And if you have already made the themes or website like us, just restore with this and it will just lead you to your official site. Your theme is backing up, so I'll wait till it's done. There you go, our theme is already almost like backup, so now we'll check the files and download them into our PC as well. This is our site that we are restored, and you can see our site is now online.